skin, hair, nails. This actually has 6 types. Type 1 is for your skin. It prevents occurrence of the wrinkles. Type 2, joints and immune system. Type 3, skin, blood vessel, vital organs. Type 4, cell health and growth. Type 5, skin, tendon and immune system. Type 6, joints, bones, muscles and hair. So basically you won't find like this in the market. Niko na 6 types and it's only 5,000. Very rare. Zingine utapata ziko na only 3 types and goes for maybe 5,000, but this one has 6 types and goes for 5,000 only. Kindly inbox, text, call to place your order. Msikubali kuziweka. Unaweza kunywa kwa smoothie, like I've taken it in soda, tea, water, but I prefer cold because I tried in warm water. I didn't like it. Yeah, that is secret ya kutozeeka. Kuzeeka is not in my vocabulary. Mimi kuzeeka is a no. Yeah. Bye.